Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Divine. I'm back. So good afternoon to all of you kids. Okay, good afternoon, Teacher Divine. Okay, so today we are going to review about different kinds of toys. Okay, so are you ready, kids? Okay, but before that, we will sing a song first. Let's go!
Ping pong. Pop, pop, pop. Open the box, box, pop, pop, pop. Open the box, box. What's in the box, in the box? What's in the box, in the box? What? A doll, a robot, crayons, a truck. A doll and a ball, a robot and a truck. Blocks and crayons in the box. In the box. A doll and a ball, a robot and a truck. Blocks and crayons in the box. In the box. Toys are in the box. In the box. Pop, pop, pop. Open the box, box, pop, pop, pop. Open the box, box, box.
And now it's time to review. This is it's a teddy bear. One more time. It's a teddy bear. Yes, it's a doll. It's a doll. It's a ball. One more time. It's a ball. And how about this one? Yes, it's a train. It's a train. That's great. Next. They are blocks. Say they are blocks. Great. It's a yo-yo. It's a yo-yo. It's a car. It's a car. It's a robot. It's a robot. It's a jump rope. It's a jump rope. It's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. It's a kite. It's a kite. It's a jug in a box. It's a jug in a box. Yes, it's a rubber duck. It's a rubber duck. It's a computer. It's a computer. It's an iPad. It's an iPad. It's a bike. It's a bike. It's a helicopter. It's a helicopter. It's a plane. It's a plane. And the last one we have, it's a boat. It's a boat. That's great.
What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's all look together so we know what's in the window. Ready, let's go. I wonder what's in the red window. Let's take a look. Do you know what it is?
Hands up,
It's a robot.
hands down.
What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come take a look in the blue window. I wonder what it is. It's a drum. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's try the yellow window. What is it? It's a ball. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the green window. Do you know what it is? It's a jack-in-the-box. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's look in the purple window. What is it? It's a bicycle. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the orange window. What is it? It's a train. Looking in the window, there's lots to see. Thank you everybody for helping me. Thank you everybody, now we know what's in the window, it's time to go.
And now, it's time for your worksheet. Yes, please get your worksheet. So, what you can do is match and color the toys below, okay? So, we will match and color. So, how we can do it? So, this is how we do it. If you see, there is a broken lines. So, all we can do is just make a straight line going to the same picture. After we match all the pictures, all we need to do is to color it. So how we can color? Let's watch this. Okay kids, that's it for today. I hope you have fun learning about different kinds of toys. If you have time, please review some of our lessons, okay? So please keep safe everyone and have a good day. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye.